You have recorded very noisy audio or video, or your guest accidentally recorded on the wrong microphone. No matter the reason, removing background noise has never been easier. We no longer need to learn how to be editing pros, spend hours tinkering with noise reduction tools and curves. Those days are well and truly over. So the best tools right now, well, let's dive in. Tool number one is Riverside. Now, the team at Riverside work constantly to improve their products, and that's one of the reasons I became Riverside's ambassador last year. Their Magic Audio feature is really great for 99% of projects where the initial audio quality is poor. Let's hop into the Riverside editor and you'll see a long-form podcast here with our guest over here who's recording on an internal microphone.
So then I was telling about the beliefs that...
Okay, we get the idea. This is not optimal. But do you know what? With the AI tools up here in the top right of the Riverside editor, we can actually go straight in and apply Magic Audio, which is studio quality sound, to one or both participants. Let's switch off on our host for the moment and just focus on our speaker working on the internal microphone on their computer.
So then I was telling about the beliefs that...
Okay, this is incredible. This is sounding so much better. Maybe a little unnatural now. Maybe he sounds a little bit too high quality. Well, don't worry. This is exactly what Magic Audio was designed for. I can dial this down. Let's bring it down to 60% and have a listen.
I was telling about the beliefs that...
Now this is much better. We can hear a little tiny smidge of background room ambience bleeding through, and we might want that, but still his voice is way better. Let's go even further, down to 30%, and again...
I was telling about the beliefs that...
So there we go, more of his background audio coming through. We can switch it off entirely and have a quick listen right here.
Telling about the beliefs that...
That is pretty crazy and a staggering difference. Let's crank it back up to 100% or near enough.
Are disturbing us.
That is just insane. Okay, it doesn't stop there though, because we can go to our next few examples. I've recorded 3 actually and uploaded them myself. So you'll see I've got one in front of an AC unit, one in a noisy environment, and another one recorded outdoors. So let's start with the noisy background music environment. Let's play this recording back. Okay, I'm recording in a noisy environment. Yeah, there's music playing in the background. Yeah, so we can hear that music. Let's see if Magic Audio in the AI tools can clean that all up. I'm going to apply the Magic Audio to my recording and we'll go back and see if we've got music in the background now. Okay, I'm recording in a noisy environment. Yeah, there's music playing in the background. Oh my goodness, no music now. Let's just remind ourselves that when we switch Magic Audio off and play, there is that music that we would probably get a copyright strike for if we left it in. Now again, we can switch the Magic Audio back to enabled and maybe dial it down a little bit so it's not too unnatural. Okay, I'm recording in a bit of music there, so let's dial it up to 74%. Okay, I'm recording in a... Still there, so we probably need to push that one up quite high, but you see the dramatic difference it makes already. Okay, on to recording number 2. This one was recorded outside. Let's play it back. Okay, here I am recording outside. You can hear nature in the background. Yep, we can definitely hear birds tweeting, but what about AI tools and applying Magic Audio? Again, this will be applied at 100%. Let's listen to the enhanced audio. Okay, here I am recording outside. You can hear nature in the background. Well, actually, the answer is no, you can't. Now here, we might just want a little boost on the iPhone microphone, so let's put it at 35% while returning some of those nature noises. Okay, here I am recording outside. You can hear nature in the background. Okay, that's perfect. So you can see how we can go to 100%, eliminate all background noise entirely, or 35%, get a boost on the mic, but still have those birds tweeting in the background. Now, just before I get on to the next example, the team at Riverside are giving you 20% off your plan with my unique coupon code MRC. I'll include it in the comments down below, and go ahead, knock yourself out with this. It's awesome. Final example for Riverside's Magic Audio tool now is, of course, yes, the dreaded nemesis of all content creators. Okay, this is kind of awkward recording something in front of an air purifier with an AC unit going at full blast behind me. Okay, that's obviously not optimal. It's literally a content creator's worst nightmare, but don't worry. One click on Magic Audio. Let's wait for Riverside to do its magic. Let's listen now. Okay, this is kind of awkward recording something in front of an air purifier
with an AC unit going at full blast behind me.
That is insane. You can still see my hair moving, and there is definitely air moving through that room, but you can no longer hear it in the recording. And as always, we can dial Magic Audio up and down as we desire, but on 100%, it's actually pretty good here. Okay, before we move to the next tool, a huge ask. If you are watching this video, there's a big chance you haven't subscribed yet. This year, I'm aiming to get to 500,000 subscribers. And the truth is, I can't do it without you. So if you subscribe, I promise to deliver high quality, relevant content to you on a weekly basis. It's that simple. Smash subscribe and thank you. Okay, tool number 2. And for the 1% of projects that are super real tricky or need source separation, I like to dive into Adobe Enhance Speech. Now I can drag and drop all of the clips that I've just demonstrated to you and have Adobe Enhance Speech work on them in the background. Very soon, it's going to give me a bunch of faders and sliders to dial in or dial out whatever I'd like. And a recent update to Enhance Speech means you can actually isolate music from your recordings, specifically saving you from copyright strikes and all that kind of bad stuff. If you recorded on a noisy exhibition floor, or in my case, in front of an AC unit, or music in the background or anything, you no longer have to worry because you can run it through Adobe Enhance, isolate anything you want. Let's dive in and see what we can do. Now, as you can see, it's doing various little tools here like removing echo. It does it all at once for us. Let's go into some process clips here, and you'll see we not only get the audio, but we also get the video. And just on the vanilla settings here, let's play.
So then I was telling about the beliefs that...
Not bad at all. And let's remind ourselves of the original.
I was telling about the beliefs that...
I mean, it's night and day.
Are disturbing us to reach the level of...
incredible improvements. Now, of course, we can dial the speech up and down, just like Riverside's Magic Audio, but we've got other faders as well that we'll get into in just a moment. Let's go to this clip that's already been processed, and this is me with music in the background. Let's play it on the default settings, as you can see here with all the sliders.
Okay, I'm recording in a noisy environment, yet there's music.
Okay, my audio, I can tell my speech is much better. Let's switch to the original again and listen.
Okay, I'm recording in a noisy environment, yet there's music playing in the background.
Enhanced.
That's not optimal, but hopefully...
Now, we do still hear a bit of music bleeding through because music is still on 10%. Let's fade the music up as I play.
Okay, I'm recording in a noisy environment, yet there's music playing in the background. That's not optimal, but hopefully some of this...
I mean, that's insane, isn't it? Now, the coolest thing is, if I want to bring these tracks separated into a DAW, it's like the holy grail of audio production, I can download a stem. So I can download the speech only by clicking download track here. And I can also download the music only by clicking download music. So let's do it. Let's grab those stems. I've got 2 clean tracks and I can actually bring it into my old school Adobe Audition, and look at this.
Okay, I'm recording in a noisy environment.
There is my speech. It's perfectly isolated, and I can go to the music track and look at this, the music track. That is perfectly isolated. You can see the beats of the music track playing in the background. Adobe Enhance, great for source separation. So now we've had some fun with source separation. Let's play the next clip that's been enhanced.
Okay, here I am recording outside. You can hear nature.
Just a few birds tweeting there, but dramatically improved iPhone audio. Let's go to speechless.
Okay, here I am recording outside. You can hear nature.
So at 72%, I'm sounding good. I still want more of the birds in the background. Music doesn't matter. Let's fade that right out, and let's bring the birds in.
Okay, here I am recording outside. You can hear nature in the background. Also, it's
pretty incredible, right? If I want that bird noise as an isolated track to use later on in another project, let's download the background noise only. There it goes. And now let me actually show you this. I'm going to fade the speech out and mute it entirely. It's like having a multi-track editor here. And let's fade the background noise right up and listen to that track on its own.
okay. Here I am recording outside. You can hear.
Now you'll notice just a tiny bit of the speech bleeds through, but we're getting mostly the isolated bird noise. And finally, let's switch over to the Nemesis. Yes, the big one. Let's play this back on its original settings.
Okay, this is kind of awkward recording
Not too
something
bad.
in front of
Let's
an
bring the
air
background up.
purifier with an AC unit going at full blast
And
behind
then right
me.
down.
But hopefully some AI audio tools can make me sound better.
Now, I've got to say there, in that particular instance where we were playing with the speech and the background noise, I felt that Magic Audio inside Riverside did a better job of retaining my voice without too many robotic glitches. But as you'll see already, different tools are good for different purposes. And that's a look at the new Adobe Enhanced Speech. Okay, finally, let's throw some stuff into Auphonic. First of all, you can drop audio or video files. So let's start off with one file here, the voice cleaner, and we'll start processing on this. We'll also go to another window and I'll bring in the outdoor nature and we'll start processing this. And in one more window, we'll go ahead and bring in that wonderful recording I did in front of my AC unit and start processing that. So all of those are now going to Auphonic's cloud. Let's listen to the results. And over here with my background music, we've got something processed already. Let's play.
Okay, I'm recording in a...
Now, it didn't seem to process the audio at all on that first example. So let's try example 2 outdoors.
Okay, here I am recording outside. You can hear nature in the background.
Okay, it's done a great job with removing all background noise and enhancing my audio there. So on that particular clip, it worked well. And finally, let's go to the Nemesis again. You can see already the input and the background noise is occurring down around here. But in the cleaned up version, we can't see any of that. So I hold a good hope that Auphonic has pulled this out.
Okay, this is kind of awkward recording something in front of an air purifier.
There you go, Auphonic. That really is an honorable mention, as you'll likely find everything you need covered by Tool 1, Riverside's Magic Audio, or Tool 2, which is Adobe Enhanced Speech. But I like that Auphonic is free for 2 hours per month, so if you have something really tricky and want to get it sounding better, this may be worth a try. It has basic noise reduction compared with Riverside or Adobe Enhanced Speech, but it will help you meet specific loudness standards in just one click, and I absolutely love that. So there you go. Background noise, any kind of artifacts in your audio can easily be solved with these amazing AI tools. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments what you're using for the cleanest noise reduction. And YouTube is showing a video on your screen now you should watch next. Thanks.